Yes, indeed, my friends, it's your boy, Papa Gato Got Kicks, here with another unboxing and review. Now, this one's really special. I always say that, but this one's really, really special because remember those bubblegum pink awakes that I hit for a couple of weeks ago that I said, nah, I can't do it. I was able to secure a dope trade. Big shout out to Sneak Houston, I believe it is. It's a boutique store out of Houston, Texas. I hooked up with them on Trade Block, and they traded me 2 kicks that I really wanted and I really couldn't get for various reasons. For those pink awakes that I just would never ever wear. So here we go. First off, we got, and they're 2, what do you call them? Collabs. Oh my God, 2 collabs. So first one, you can see the Nike box, but it's got a Levi's red tab. What's up with that? Okay. So a couple weeks ago, I put in for, oh, and wait a minute, 10.5. So you know it's an Air Max 95. I put in for these. Yeah, these are nice. So I put in for these. I actually won them on the Levi's site, which I was excited about. And a couple of days later, I got an email dubbing me saying, no, sorry, you didn't win, or we don't have stock or some crap like that. But here they are. The Jordan Air Max Big Bubble 95s in the Levi's denim colorway. Now this is cool because it looks like it's actually made from denim. I mean, it is made from denim. Very funky sneaker, something different. It actually came out in like a cream color with a gum bottom sole, which is cool, but I don't know if I could really pull that one off. And a black one, which is also real nice. But this is the real funky one because this is true to Levi. Comes with red laces if you wanted to get crazy with it like that. I believe it should have a Levi's tab. Yeah, there it goes. Levi's tab like the jeans. Very cool kick. I'm digging that. That's funky. Definitely a keeper. So I was able to secure that. And what's even more exciting for me anyway, is that I was able to trade those kicks, the awakes, for the Levi's and for these bad girls. Now this undoubtedly, well, not undoubtedly, but definitely in contention for Sneaker of the Year 25. This is a kick that was unattainable for many years, and then they decided to redrop them, and yeah, these are gorgeous. So these are the boom, Undefeated Jordan 4. Like I said, these were, very super limited friends and family kind of deal. Years ago, they were going for upwards of $10,000, which is insane, but whatever. And then Nike and Undefeated decided to redrop them, and here they are. Gorgeous kick. I love the color. The suede is buttery smooth. You got the Nike Air on the back, incognito. You got the strap with the Jordan Rare Air there. Comes with orange laces, all that good stuff. I mean, this is, yeah, I'm happy about this one. So like I said, if I can't get what I want, I trade for what I want. And that one worked out really well. I mean, if you think about it, do the math. I paid $230 for that awakes. Luckily, I hit on them, but $230 minus, when the resale was like $800, something like that. Was able to trade it for these kicks, which are easily worth $500 and like $400 or something like that. So worked out super nice for me. Again, big shout out to Sneak Houston, because without them, this trade would not be possible. And I got another little box here. So this just came, actually, they pulled up as I was coming in my driveway here. And that's always exciting to get just another package. So I caught myself a nice little Chicago Bulls fitted in the camo, 59.50. I gotta bend it up. My size, 7.5. There we go. Yeah, I'm digging that. Definitely digging that. And these just came out. I'm a Yanks fan all day, born and bred in the Bronx, so you know what I had to do. But really cool about this one is it's a like a velour kind of feel, like a suede or something. Really cool kit, really cool crown. So cop these 2 for myself, a little something. Shout out to Culture Kings. It's Culture Kings right there. They hooked it up, sent it over. I believe they're out of California, if I'm not mistaken. Good stuff. So today was a good cop day for me, most definitely. Anyway, it's your boy Papa Gato Got Kicks. Make sure to like, follow, subscribe, tell a friend. Thank you for joining me. Peace.